Hey guys, it's Ruby here from the Girls channel, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make slime. So, the first thing you're going to need is obviously glue, and some kind of activator, and then a bowl, or maybe even a plate. A plate would work too, and then like a spoon or a fork, or if you don't have any of those, you can still use your hands. So I'm just gonna start off, and I'm gonna take my bowl, just a nice clean white bowl, and then I'm gonna take my white glue, and I'm just filling mine up until I can't see the bottom of the bowl anymore, and then maybe just a tiny bit more. Gotta rub off the glue of the top of this one because it glues shut. And then I'm going to add some yellow food coloring. Not gonna add too much. It like went all over the bowl. Look, it actually looks really cool. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. Guys, also sorry if I'm a little quiet in this video, but for some reason I like to work in quiet or have music playing, so it's a very bright, vibrant, and beautiful color. I really like it. And then I'm going to take my stapler. You want to be very careful with the stapler because it is pretty strong, so you want to be careful on how much you put. I like to put my glitter in there. I meant to put it in there before I added my stapler, but you know, we can always add it later. It's never too late for glitter. That should be a saying. It's never too late for glitter. Comment down below if you guys like that saying. And you need to add a little bit more. I actually added a lot just now, and it's probably going to be overactivated. It looks like yellow guts. Look, it honestly looks like yellow guts. On the camera, it's showing it way more like a green and bright, but actually it's like kind of toned down, and it's actually really pretty yellow. So it's almost ready. Just needs a little bit of stirring. Oh nope, it is not ready. I'm an alien, I'm bleeding yellow. Also, the stapler comes out very fast if you use the stapler, so be careful. Also, it comes out if you use any other activator. Like detergent for activator, like Tide and Gain, and yeah. A little bit sticky, just a tad. I wonder if I should put like a little perfume in it to make it smell good, you know? Needs just a tad bit more. So what I like to do if it just needs a tad, put my hand over it, like the whole top, and then go like this for just a couple seconds, and then mix it in. If it just needs a tad bit more, oh, it's really stretchy. And I didn't overactivate it, but still you want to be really careful. My hands are so cringy right now. Also, guys, if you have any questions you want to ask us in the future, like in a few videos, there will be a Q&A with me and my sister Audrey. And if you guys want to ask us any questions, just comment them down below. So, yeah. This is actually a really pretty color. Also, comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see from me and Audrey. Okay, guys, so I have to make a really big decision. So, should I add these beautiful blue like sequins to this? I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split it, and I'm going to put more of this, of the normal, and just have a little bit for the sequins. I'm going to have this much for the sequins. Maybe a tad bit more. Just a tad. Okay. I'm not going to put all of them. I'm putting about maybe a little more than half. Okay. I just spilled them. Hold on. Okay. We're all good. So now I'm gonna fold it over. Well, it looks like kind of like a nacho cheese, like with the jalapenos or something. Okay, so this is how it came out. It's actually really pretty. No, one of them is in here. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this to clean the bowl. Okay. One second, guys. I have to go get something real fast. Ouch. So that nacho thing reminded me of something. So we went to a garage sale, and for slime, I got one of these. They're like the little nacho things they have at Mexican restaurants. So I decided to put the normal one in here. Maybe the one that looks like nachos. Uh-oh. This might be a little too sticky. Here, I'm going to add a tiny bit more. Okay, let me get the one that looks like a nacho cheese. Nacho cheese. I'm going to put it on in here, look. Nacho cheese. Just a tiny bit of nacho cheese. Okay, now let's get straight on into the next one with clear glue. But before we do, guys, press the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below, did you guys do it? Okay, clear glue time. Ooh, that is a lot of clear glue. Like, a lot. Okay. I like to stir my clear glue for some reason. Ooh, watch, it's like crystals. Okay, now I'm going to make this one green. Just going to add a couple because I don't want it real dark. I added 4 drops. If I need to add more, then I'll add more, but I don't think I will because I wanted this a light green. But then it came out fast, and I don't know if it'll be as light as I want it to. Might have to add a little bit of yellow. Comment down below what you guys rate slime to be as your favorite thing or your least favorite thing. From 1 to 10. Just getting a little bit of bubbles, but not very many. I'm gonna add like 1. I added 3 drops of yellow to try to make it lighter, but I don't know if that was such a good idea. Oh, actually, it was because it made it like a lime green kind of color. See, it looks more lime green on the camera, but in real life, it's not that green. Like, not that lime green. I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow. Okay. I added a few drops. I don't know how many because I don't want to count, but I added a few. I'll add more green if I need to. Honestly, on the green, it looks like it's red, but it's yellow. Well, it's been like it's green and then it's like yellow all through there. Yeah, it needs another drop of green because I made it kind of ugly. Ooh, that is actually really ugly. I made it like a jelly. Ooh, it's really pretty on the camera. No. Okay. So, remember those sparkles I had earlier? Yeah, well, I just dropped them all over the place. All over my desk and my pants and the floor and... what did I do? I'm gonna clean that up. Where'd the cup go? I don't know where the cup went. I'm just gonna put them on my desk because I was gonna mix them into that and make it all satisfying. But I guess it's not gonna be satisfying anymore. I mean, it still might be to some of you, but I don't know. I was getting my green and then it knocked over. Oh. Got a few of them in there. You know what? This isn't turning out any prettier. So, it's actually kind of pretty. It's honestly way darker in real life than it shows on the camera. But, you know what? We're not going to complain anymore for this video. We complained a lot for this video, so we gotta be positive. Forgot I had to mix it slow. Okay guys, so while I'm making this, I have a confession to make. It's not really a confession that's like bad, but it's pretty sad. So yesterday, which was Saturday, we came home from somewhere, I forgot where, and we couldn't find one of our dogs. And we can't find him anywhere. And if any of you are from the Childers, Oklahoma area, and he's a white lab, like a yellow lab, not really white. If you guys are in the Childers, Oklahoma area, please look out for him. Because his name is Andy Taylor. And we really miss him. So if you guys can find him anywhere, please do find him. If you guys see him in the Childers, Oklahoma area. And today's Sunday, and we still can't find him, so. But anyway, the camera's almost dead, so we better hurry this up, or else, like, it might die. So, okay, so I'm gonna. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. I'm like kneading it in. I was thinking I might need to add some lotion to this, but I don't think so anymore. Sorry guys, that was Audrey. I'm mixing it out of the bowl. There's still like gunk in the bowl. It's driving me nuts. Oh, I'm mixing in the... Oh no, they're sticking to my desk. The glitters from earlier, yeah, they're sticking to my desk now. It's not very pleasant. Also, guys, comment down below what kind of videos you want us to post. If I haven't said that already. I don't know if I have or not, but... Sorry, my hands are so cringy. I can't get it off. It's sticking to me. Anyway, guys, that's how you make slime. And you just have to keep kneading and kneading and kneading until it's, like, perfect. Well, it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty good. See, like this. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!